GVE London proudly presents the Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG. Featuring 20-inch AMG double-spoke wheels and mixed tyres, it delivers impressive handling. The car also includes Apple CarPlay smartphone integration for seamless connectivity, and a premium sound system for top-notch audio. Inside, the AMG Performance Seats provide exceptional comfort. A luxury saloon that excels in both performance and refinement. While the automatic panoramic sliding sunroof adds a touch of elegance. The E63 AMG offers a blend of power and luxury for an outstanding driving experience.